to our beloved professor and to all of my classmates. Today, we are going to have an experiment using a paper towel, glass, and container with full of water. What are paper towel used for? A paper towel is used for wiping wet surface to make it dry. You think that we can put the paper towel in the water without it getting wet? Let's find out. Put the paper towel inside the glass. Make sure the paper towel is at the bottom of the glass. Then, sink the glass of container of full of water. Then, lift the glass up to its original position. Now, let's check if the paper towel get wet. Before we answer that, let's have another experiment. Let's do the same procedure, but this time, slightly tilt the glass to the side as the lower it into the water. What happened? Do you see a bubble rise to the top of the water? What do you think happened? And is the paper towel still dry or did it get wet? The reason why in the experiment the paper towel is still dry because when the glass is lower in the water, air is trapped inside of the glass. Because of the water pushing up from below. Air is less than this than water, so it is able to stay on top of the water. The paper towel will not get wet as long as the air still in the glass. If you tip the glass even slightly, the air trapped in glass, even slightly, the air is trapped in the glass will rush out in the form of bubbles. Water will then rush in and the paper towel will get wet. And that's what we did in the second experiment. And that is our experiment for today. I hope that you have learned something. Again, this is Teacher Anne saying good day, God bless, and enjoy learning. See you on next episode.